Hi guys, so I had a problem with Unity. I did the update to Hub to update my Unity and it didn't work and I had this message. Opening file failed and then with the library temp artifacts. So I read a lot of posts yesterday. It took me like the whole day to figure out why Unity didn't work. When I was uploading assets, or I wanted to add a Terran or a new project, didn't work. I always had this message. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. I suggest that you do this after your project. If it's a problem during you're making your game, I think you can solve this if you know the right version. If you take the wrong version, your game will be, well, sorry to say, but to be fucked. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how you do this. I'm gonna take my phone. So this is just a picture from yesterday, the message. So you have your hub. Don't mind this. This is the version I had. This is the new one, and it didn't work. So how do you do like when you want to install a new editor? It didn't work. It just stayed there, didn't download, or download like for many people like the whole night, and that's not normal. So the hub is the problem. So fuck the hub. So let's say you have to do the whole thing. I know a friend of mine, he installed everything and did it again, installed the hub and the version again, and it worked. But if you have, like, when I showed you the message, the file failed and things, it didn't solve anything. So let's do this. Like, you already saw this message. So if you have this, the reinstalling will not work and the numbers will be different the whole time, but it stayed the same with the library. You can delete the library. I did that and it didn't work. So if everything doesn't work, delete the library, reinstall everything doesn't work, we have to do like I did yesterday, and I see that worked today. So you go to my PC, you go to Windows. I'm not going to do that now, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this closer. So you're going to delete in the user. You're going to go to your user, and then you go to the app data, and then you delete the Unity that you see. So if it's in local, you do press U, and then you see there's a Unity right here. You delete everything. You delete the folder. You go to local. I don't remember. There's also here. Yes, here. So you can see here. Folder. Delete everything. Everything on your game, not the project. This one too. You see another one. Just delete everything. Everything you see on Unity. Then you go to, I think, to Windows. I'm not sure. I don't think so. No, it's not on Windows. I think it's on Program, Files. Let's see. Okay, it's another one. Excuse me. The program data and the program, these two. Remember that this one had, yeah, here you can see this one also. And then you go here, Unity, and then this two. If you have two, normally you have the Unity hub and that. Then you search for it. If you have like Unity, then you have like all these things. Delete everything. Then you go to the control panel. Then you go to install program, right? And then you can see if it's really gone. You can do it here, but I did everything, like, and then you install this one, all of them. And then you're done. Then everything is gone. So what you have to do is go to your browser, and then you see Unity download archive. I will put the link under the video so you can see. And then you have all these versions. You can actually see all of them. So I took the newest version, but you have like all of them. You can actually see it's the whole different. I had 25, so normally you have like 25 here. And then you can download. Don't do this one because you need the hub, but you just have the Windows version, the Mac version, and the Linux version. You just pressed it, and then it will automatically say where you need to download the installment. And then you put on download. I have here my download thingy. So you can see I have the version here. You have this one, and you have the hub. So first do the version. Okay, do the editor Unity. You install that, and it will install. Normally it has to install. And then after like I think 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it took time to install the newest version of 2019. And when it's finished, you cannot open it because you need a license. And then you need to go to this one. I'm going to put the link, how to get started. And then you have to download. And then you go here, and then you see you have three different platforms. I took Windows, and I got the hub one. So this one was really like, you can see I was like really busy fixing it. And then when I did the hub, it worked. Like I see it worked, everything. And then I do a new project, and I oh no, excuse me. I went to the locate, and don't forget to build. It has to be on the drive C. You need a SSD. If you have another drive with SSD, it's good. Then it will work. And then you have to locate it. And normally it has to be in the Windows program files. Then you press Unity, and then you have this one. So you have this one, and you have to click it again, and then here it is, the exe. And then it will find the thingy, and then you go make a new project. And normally it's not a problem anymore. I just tried with the hub the whole time yesterday for more than 12 hours, just installing to hub. Didn't work. Then uninstall it, then uninstall hub, and then the whole time, and it's the hub fault. The hub didn't install editor in the good way. And yeah, now it works. But first with the version, then the hub. Not the hub and then the version. Like I did like this, Just don't install it with the hub, to the version editor. Don't do it. Don't do that. I think a lot of people have problems with the hub. I had problems. Now it's fixed. And now I can use Unity. I really thought I had to say goodbye to Unity. I was like, what the heck is going on? I learned performance. That was the most awful thing. Learning performance and Playmaker was the most, challenging thing. And then I see that it didn't work, and I wanted to cry, or I wasn't mad, but I wanted to cry. And I was like, no, I don't want to lose Unity. Yeah, I don't want to go to Unreal Engine. Not yet. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. I hope this will work and help people to fix this. And, don't take, like, when you're making a game, don't update Unity at all, or update Playmaker. And I didn't update anything, like anything, even the assets I didn't do. Just it will maybe crash your game, or it will not recognize your game, and then you have to do the whole thing again. I heard someone did the whole thing again, and it's awful, especially when you're like making a game, do a lot of things, and then you're almost at the end. That's the awful one. And that's really it. I don't have anything else to say. Just really glad that everything works now, and I hope yours will work too. Suffered like yesterday whole day. Stupid hub. I really am mad at the hub. So yeah, good luck on your game. Good luck with everything, or if you're starting a game or you finished the game, congrats. And yeah, that's it. Bye.